Hello and welcome. Many of us remember learning multiplication and division, chanting and reciting the multiplication tables at home with our parents. Although many of these methods of teaching multiplication have become outdated, the importance of times tables is as important today as it has ever been. Times tables are main tool for many forms of math such as algebra, calculus, commercial math, etc. The ability to understand times tables enables students to confidently and skillfully tackle the more complex math in much less time. But many students find learning times tables challenging. So presenting here beautiful technique of finding times tables up to 1000 in mind. But before proceeding, we need to learn times tables up to 9. So pause the screen and learn tables from 1 to 9 from here. We need one more concept. Consider the number 73. Here 3 is ones place digit and 7 is tens place digit. The place value of 7 is 70 and the place value of 3 is 3. Similarly, if we consider the numbers 69, now here 9 is ones place digit and 6 is tens place digit. The place value of 6 is 60. Similarly, if it is a 3-digit number, then 4 is ones place digit, 3 is tens place digit, and 7 is 100 place digit. So place value of 4 is 4, the place value of 3 is 30, and the place value of 7 is 700. We know that expanded form of Similarly, the expanded form of 69 is 60 plus 9 and the expanded form of 73 is 70 plus 3. Let us suppose that we want 12 times 7. Instead of starting from right and moving towards left, we will first multiply 7 by 1. That becomes 7. 7 times 1 is 7. But this is not 1, this is 10. Place value of this digit is 10. So 7 will get multiplied to 10, that is 70. So we will keep this 70 in our brain and in between we will multiply this 7 by 2, that is 7 times 2 is 14. So in our brain we will add this 14 to 70, that becomes 84. So this is how this technique works. Let us try to find 12 times 5. We will again start from left side and this is not 1, this is 10 and this is 2. So first of all we will multiply this 5 by 10. 5 times 10 is 50. So we will keep this 50 in our brain and we will multiply this 5 by 2. That gives us 10. Already we have 50 in our mind plus this 10 becomes 60. So 12 times 5 is 60. Let's try to find out 12 times 9. So first of all this 9 will multiply with 10, that is 90, 90 and then 9 times 2 is 18. So 90 plus 18, this is 108. For adding this 18 to 90, we can further split this as 10 plus 8. So 90 plus 100 plus 8. This is how we can perform this calculation faster. Now let's consider the table of 13. Suppose we want 13 times 6. Then we will multiply this 6 by 1, but this is not 1. This is 10. 6 times 10 is 60. We will keep this 60 in our brain. Then 6 times 3 is 18. We will add 18 to this 60 in our brain, and this becomes 78. Now suppose we want 13 times 8. So first of all, this 8 will multiply to this 1. The place value of this 1 is 10. So this becomes 80. We will keep this 80 in our brain and we will multiply 8 by 3. 8 times 3 is 24. Now 80 is already in the brain and plus 24. We can break this 24 to 20 plus 4 in our brain. Now 80 plus 20 plus 4. So 104. So this is 104. This is how it works. Suppose we want 13 times 4. So first of all we will multiply this 4 by 10. That becomes 40 and we will keep this in our brain. So 40 is already in the brain and 4 times 3 is 12. 40 plus 12, that is 52. We can also split 12 to 10 plus 2. So 40 plus 10 plus 2. So 52. So this is how it works faster. Similarly, suppose we want 14 times 6. Now 6 times 10 is 60. We will keep this 60 in our brain. 6 times 4 is 24. This becomes 84. And for adding faster, we can split this 24 to 20 plus 4. Now 60 plus 20 plus 4. That gives us 84. This is how it can be faster. So this is the technique. Now 14 times 9. Now 9 multiplied by 10 gives us 90. So 90 is in our brain. 9 times 4 is 36. 90 plus 36. 90 plus 36. Now we have to add this in brain. We can split this 36 to 10 and 26. So this becomes 126. So 126 is the answer. Let us suppose we want 17 times 8. Then 8 multiplied to 10 gives us 80. We will keep this 80 in our brain and then we will multiply 8 by 7. 8 times 7 is 56. Now we can split this 56 to 20 plus 36. So 80 plus 20 gives us 100 plus 36. So the answer is 136. Suppose we want 17 times 5. Now 5 times 10 is 50. We will keep this 50 in our brain and 5 times 7 is 35. 50 plus 35. 50 plus 35 becomes 85. Let us suppose that we want 18 times 8. Now 8 times 10 is 80. We will keep this 80 in our brain. Plus 8 times 8 is 64. Now we can split this 64 to 20 plus 44 in our mind. So this becomes 144. This is how it becomes very easy for us. Suppose we want 19 times 7. Then 7 multiplied to 10 gives us 70. We will keep this 70 in our brain. Plus 7 times 9 is 63. And we can split this 63 to 30 plus 33. So this becomes 133. This is how it is faster. Suppose we want 19 times 4. Then this is 4 times 10, that is 40. So 40 in our brain. Plus 4 times 9 is 36. So this becomes 76. So this is how we can find the tables from 12 to 19.